Want to give your Instagram notes a personalized pop of color? First, head to the App Store and make sure you're running the latest version of Instagram. Color customization was only added in recent updates. Once you're all set, open the Instagram app and log into your account. Now tap on the chat icon to open your DMs. At the very top of your DM list, you'll see your note. Tap that to open the Notes Composer. You'll notice the default background color in the preview bubble. To change it, press and hold that bubble. Keep your finger on it for a second until a palette of vibrant swatches appears along the bottom of your screen. Now slide your finger left or right to scroll through every shade, from pastel pinks and neon greens to deep purples and sunset oranges. When you land on the hue that matches your mood, whether it's a calming teal for a Monday morning note or a fiery red for a weekend shout-out, simply select it and tap Apply. Your note preview will instantly refresh in that new color. And when you tap Share, it's sent off to the top of your friend's inbox in full Technicolor. You can repeat this anytime you want to shake up your look or signal different tones. Maybe yellow for celebrating a win, blue for a rainy day greeting, or violet for a late night thought. That's it for this video. If this helped you unlock a little creative flair in your DMs, tap like, drop your favorite color combo in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tips.